Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to share 14 worksheets for your toddler. So these are easy to make worksheet. I just put these worksheet inside the plastic folder. So these worksheets are reusable and you can easily reuse. I just use board marker. It's erasable. So the first two worksheets are about count and circle the number. So these are easiest worksheet. You can start at early age of your child these worksheets. Okay, so the third worksheet about beginning sound of different objects. In this way your child will learn about the beginning sound. Try to teach them with flashcards the beginning sound. Then you have to try the worksheets of the beginning sound. Move on to the fourth worksheet. So this worksheet I made it myself, and this is super easy to write for toddler to write the numbers. This is a number tracing worksheet. You can start with your kid at the age of 3. The next worksheet is again the beginning sound. Your child will circle the correct beginning sound. The next worksheet is about pattern making. In this way, your child will think about the next, what comes next. Thinking ability of your child will develop from this worksheet. Okay, so now move on to the next worksheet. It's again a beginning sound. Your child will write the beginning sound. First you can start with matching beginning sound, then circle the beginning sound. Now your kid will easily write the beginning sound. Move on to the next worksheet. It's again count and write number. Now your kid will write number. Next worksheet is about 3-letter words. Start the 3-letter words at 3.5 or 3 years old. For example, k, a, t, cat, b, a, t, bat. Remember, start with phonics. Then move to the 2 letters blending. Then move to the CVC 3 letters blending. You can look in the description. I just give a link of the complete video, 2 letters blending, 3 letters blending, when to start phonics, all about the reading. Then you have to start the small sentences. This is a cat, this is a dog, in this way. Okay, next worksheet about match shapes to objects. There are different shapes and your child have to match with different objects according to shapes. Next, how many? Now your kid will count the objects and circle the correct number. So in this way you have to just you can take print of the worksheet, you can make yourself and put them in the plastic folder. And the best thing is about it, these are reusable. Next, giving concept. This worksheet is giving concept of less or more. You can ask them, where are the more blocks, where are the more apples. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like, share and subscribe with others. Thank you.